Home is where the heart is. Elsewhere, Kenya has suspended all passenger flights into the country from India for a period of 14 days subject to review. This is according to Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, who says the new directive will take effect after 72 hours. This follows the COVID-19 crisis in India. Our health reporter Zainab Mohammed has more.
Following a surge in COVID-19 cases in India, Kenya has suspended all passenger flights into and out of the country for a period of 14 days. According to Health CS Mutahi Kagwe, the new directive will take effect after 72 hours, leaving a short window for those who needed to travel in and out of the country.
This announcement, and that is therefore take effect on midnight on Saturday. This would allow those who are traveling tomorrow from India, those patients who are coming to arrive in the country.
The ministry further says all those who enter into the country during the 72-hour window will be subjected to a rapid antigen testing upon arrival and a further 14-day mandatory quarantine at their own cost. Cargo flights shall, however, not be affected.
All passengers arriving from India within those 72 hours shall be subjected to rapid antigen testing upon arrival at our ports of entry and shall be required to strictly observe a 14-day quarantine period that will be closely monitored by our health officials.
India has been recording a new record high worldwide over the past couple of days as its death toll now surpasses over 200,000, making it the fourth country to reach that high. Meanwhile, Kenya has today recorded a total of 834 new COVID-19 cases, 579 recoveries, and 23 new deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.